What would you like for Christmas, Edison?
I would like a little kid car.
A little kid car? Oh, like the little ones that you drive around?
Yeah, that I can drive for you.
Oh, what kind of car?
Any kind.
Any? Oh, it doesn't have to be a monster truck?
It could be a monster truck. Because I love monster trucks.
Serious?
I'm trying to make a video here, serious.
Hi guys, I'm Emily, the Minimalist Mama, and this is my son Edison. Don't pick your nose! Oh my God. You can't do that on the video.
Okay, just cut that part out.
Hi guys, I'm Emily, the Minimalist Mama, and this is my son Edison. And today we're going to be talking about minimalish kids' gifts for Christmas.
Okay, yeah.
How do you handle Christmas gifts? Do you have family rules? Do you draw names? To be honest, I'm not exactly sure yet how to handle this year because it feels like we're at max capacity for toys already. Like if we get more, I don't know where we're gonna put them. Do you have any ideas?
No.
Yeah. I realized that there are a few presents that we got last Christmas that we haven't even opened yet.
What?
Or used. So
What in the world? So what presents?
but I know my boys are 5 and 2, so we have a lot more Christmases and birthdays to come. In the past, I've loved the idea of giving experience gifts, like giving experiences instead of just gifts. But with COVID-19 and everything being closed or could close again, that just seems like it's not going to work super well for this year. So I've been trying to come up with some alternatives, and I put this on Instagram and Facebook and asked for your guys' ideas, and you guys definitely came through with a lot of wonderful ideas. So I thought I would share a few of those in this video in case you or somebody else out there is also looking for some inspiration for some gifts that aren't just going to be clutter. So Anita said she loved the idea of giving a piano or a keyboard and piano lessons for a year, which we really like. You like piano, right?
Not as much as I like the guitar.
Oh. Susanna recommended regifting the toys that we didn't open and use last year, which we definitely will.
Yeah, because there's still some more we didn't even open last year.
Yeah.
What are they?
I don't know.
Okay, good. I can't wait to find them.
Yeah.
But
On Christmas.
What? We're not finding them on Christmas.
Terry said that her cousins include magazine subscriptions for her kids, and also that they love getting fruit for Christmas, which when we lived in Arizona, we did love to bring people oranges for Christmas from our very own orange trees.
What? We had plans?
Maggie said that they do something you want, something you need, something to wear, and something to read. And this year she's gonna add something to share, which I think is awesome. Kelly said that they love books and consumables like art supplies, which is really nice because you use up your art supplies, your crayons get all used up and broken, you run out of glue, you use up all your pom-poms, stuff like that. So getting more for Christmas is a great idea.
And I want some more of this stuff. Some more art supplies. My stuff is getting broken a minute.
Oh no. Artful Simplicity on Instagram said that her parents are giving them a piano and piano lessons this year, and she's really excited. Slow Simple Happy on Instagram said that they like games and shared toys like magnetiles. Her kids get 3 things each and then 3 things that are shared.
So they each get 6 things?
Kind of, yeah.
Because 3 and 3 make 6.
Sylvia said that instruments are a great idea. Mindful Dwelling said that she asked her mom to stick to getting her kids clothes because they will always be growing and growing out of clothes and needing new ones. On Facebook, Jessica White said online subscriptions, which we have given our cousins before, and they've loved those. You can get all different kinds of subscription boxes from Kiwi Crate. They have like a Tinker Crate, a doodle crate or something like that are appropriate for different ages, and those can be really fun. Amanda said that when they lived in Florida, they would do experiences because there were so many places and things to experience with zoo, aquariums, gardens, and a lot more. Lydia said that she's giving family games this year instead of individual presents, which is an awesome idea.
I love games, especially online games.
Oh, she's also giving kids a fun ornament each, which is not clutter, but also fun for the kids to hang up for themselves every year. That is a really fun idea.
Cool.
Wendy said that one year her mom gave her kids a coupon to either spend the night or the day if they were younger. And then she would take them to Pizza Hut or McDonald's for dinner. She gave them a choice of activities, like they could either do a science experiment or baking something.
What? You can bake something? In the restaurant?
With their grandma. No, at home. After they got home from dinner. She said she honestly loved this because they got to spend one-on time with the grandparents, and it gave her some free time too, which I think that's a really fun idea. Quality time. That's a great gift. Amy said that she's the aunt that gives experiences. So she's given swimming lessons, music lessons, zoo passes, science center tickets.
I love all that stuff.
Oh.
I especially love the lessons. I love swimming lessons, especially going on the water lessons. Because we didn't learn how to swim with no water going up in my nose.
She gives books, magazines. The magazines that she recommended were Highlights Magazine and Amazon Storytime. They've helped pay for camps, for tutors, for school stuff. She said that something a friend of hers has done for their kids as a gift is to redecorate their room. No picking your nose!
I look at
With new bedding, pictures on the walls, and that kind of a thing.
Yes.
Tara says that every year her kids get necessities like socks, underwear, pajamas, and undershirts.
That is not what you should do. Not the good.
Then they get 3 little gifts like hair accessories, journals, books, and then one big thing. As a family, they get family games.
Oh, I love games.
It looks like a lot under their tree with a family of 7. The grandparents are good about not giving a ton of stuff. They either give each child one gift or a family experience. And they also take $25 to buy something from a catalog like Food for the Hungry, or I think another similar one would be like the Compassion International catalog, or Heifer International. Is that what it's called? Something like that. So it's going to help a family in another country. You could give water, medicine, or they can all pool their money and buy a cow for another family.
A cow? I would like a cow for my family.
I don't want a cow here.
We could have our own now.
And then Alyssa said that their kids love the Focus on the Family Clubhouse magazine.
Focus on the Family Clubhouse?
Yeah.
Oh, I love
It's a
Clubhouses.
magazine. And then games, again, especially games that the whole family can play together. CDs or audiobooks. And then they usually fill up their stockings with things like little animals, like the Schleich animals, stickers, slippers or socks, or books. And if there's unopened stuff from the year before, then that gets re-gifted. I hope you gained some inspiration from that list of minimalist Christmas gift ideas for kids. Also, I am doing the Simply Christmas Journaling prompts again, and this year I'm adding videos to it. This is designed to really help you work on what you really want this Christmas to look like, what you need to say no to this year, really processing what your expectations are, and if you need to make changes to those, if there's things you need to let go of, so that you can focus on what was really the most important for you and your family. This holiday season, don't let worry steal your wonder. I hope that you will check out the link in the description down below to sign up for this. It's totally free. And it all culminates in this manifesto that you create that will shape your Christmas season this year. To download the PDF worksheet, be sure you check out the link that's down below this video to sign up. If you have any more minimalist ideas for kids' Christmas gifts this year, please leave a comment down below and share them with me and everyone else. I would super appreciate it. So, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Okay, I did.
Scooch.
It's a big mom. See you next day. Okay.
Okay, so, oh.